of the products we're exhibiting this year is our Aerotech Nmark AGV galvo scanner, controlled by the Nmark CLS. The advantage of this product is galvo scanners are excellent for high-speed marking and processing of various applications, but they're usually limited over the field of view in which they can operate. What we've done here is our scanner incorporates galvos that have encoder feedback, which allow us to do closed-loop coordinated motion with servo axes. This would be used in high-precision applications, high-speed laser applications such as marking, and also just some low-power applications where you would use a galvo with high precision. We are the only manufacturer in the world right now that is currently doing closed-loop coordination with the galvo scanner and the servo motion. The advantage here is typically when you want to process the galvo over large areas, the traditional method is you would process an area, step, and then process the next area, step, and process the next area. As you do this, you get small angular errors between each of the different stitching. By coordinating with the servo motion, you can extend that field of view of operation and process over the area without that stitching error. So that makes it more accurate and extends the galvo capabilities over a larger range. It also allows for improved thermal performance as well. In this particular example right here, we are coordinating our AGV galvo with a series of pro linear motor servo axes. Everything you see right here is being driven by the Automation 3200 controller. This is a software-based motion controller where the trajectory generation and all the motion control itself is run on the PC and then downloaded to servo amplifiers over a FireWire network. In this particular case, both the servo amplifiers and the galvo amplifier are all on the same FireWire network, which allows for the coordinated motion. You still program in just plain XY space, and the controller then, through a delineation parameter, divides the motion automatically between the galvo and servo motion. So programming it is very simple. It's just as if you were programming any other servo motion on an XY plane. Certainly a lot of people are looking at ways to improve their processes, being able to extend that field of view without having to worry about any of the stitching errors. We feel technology is important for keeping manufacturing in the US and also continuing to be successful as a company, so we are appreciative when that's being recognized.